Demonstrative pronouns. Hello and welcome. Today we're going to learn two very important words in Spanish, esto and eso. You already know words like este, esta, ese, and esa. These are called demonstrative adjectives. They always come with a noun. For example, este carro, this car. Esa casa, that house. But what if you don't say the noun? Maybe you just want to point to something and say this or that. That's where esto and eso come in. They are called demonstrative pronouns, and they replace the noun. So essentially, the word esto is like saying this thing, and the word eso is like saying that thing. Let's look at some examples. You can point to something directly in front of you and ask, ¿Qué es esto? What is this? Or, ¿Qué es eso? What is that? No me gusta esto. I don't like this. Eso está bien. That is okay. So here's a quick trick. If you can see or name the noun, use este or ese. If you just want to say this or that without a noun, use esto or eso. So let's remember, esto means this or this thing. Eso means that or that thing. You can point, answer, or refer to things without saying the noun. ¿Qué es esto? What is this? ¿Qué es eso? What is that? Practice by looking around your room, point and say esto for something close, eso for something farther away. Soon it'll feel natural. Well done! Now you know how to use esto and eso, two special words that let you say this or that without a noun. Remember, use esto for something close or right in front of you. Use eso for something farther away. I'll see you in the next lesson.